Hi, for my slide, I will talk about stem morphology. The first thing about stem morphology is its structure. There are three things. The first thing is bud, its domain shoot at noods, and the second thing is noods, its areas where leaves attach, and the third thing is internodes, its region between noods. And the next thing is the stem types. The first thing of stem type is herbaceous stem. It is soft and non-woody stem. And the second types is woody stem. The stem is hard with secondary growth. And next is modification of stem. The food storage in modification of stem. It's located in underground and enable pollination. And the second thing is its support system. The stem trenches help plant climb on wood. And the third thing is defense mechanism. The woody and pointed tones is the mechanism of its defense. And the last thing is photosynthesis. It flattens stems, or you can call it phylloclades. It contains chlorophyll. And the third things of stem morphology is its modification of stem vegetative propagation. There has three things. That the first thing is runner, the second thing is stolon, and the last thing is offset. And other modified stem is the first thing is rhizome. It's located underground of the horizontal in stem of plant. And the second thing is tubers. It's enlarged underground of the stem tips. And lastly, it is the stolons. It horizontal stem growing along the ground. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, today I will talk about root morphology. Roots are the one of the most important part of plant because they absorb water, store food, and help the plant survive in difficult conditions. I'm going to talk about function of root, type of root, region of a root, and some special root modification. Firstly, roots provide anchorage, meaning they keep the plant stable in the soil, preventing it from being blown away. Secondly, roots are responsible for absorbing water and mineral salt. Some roots also act as storage organ, keeping carbohydrate and water for future use. Root can also perform additional functions such as producing hormone and forming symbiotic relationship with microorganisms. There are two main types of root system. First, the taproot system, which has a single main root with smaller side branches. This is common in dicot like carrot. Next, the fibrous root system consists of many roots of equal size. This is common in monocot, such as grasses and corn. For more information, taproot anchors plant strongly and store more food, while fibrous root will prevent soil erosion and can quickly absorb surface water. A root has four main regions. First, root cap, which protect the tip. Second, the meristematic region, where new cells are produced. Third, the region of elongation, where cells grow longer, and region of maturation, where root hair form for absorption. Some roots are modified for special purposes. Food storage root become slower to store nutrients like carrot and sweet potatoes. Next, support root such as broad and steel root help hold tall plant upright, for example the banyan tree. In swampy area, we can find respiratory root, also known as phytometeris. This root grow upward to obtain oxygen for the air, as seen in mangrove tree. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, today I would like to talk about leaf morphology. Leaves are the main photosynthetic organ of plant. They help in making food, gas exchange, and transpiration. There are many parts of a leaf, such as lamina. Lamina is the green expanded part with veins and veinslet. Secondly, leaf base. Leaf base is attached to the stem, members stipules, in monocots and expanded into a sheath. Thirdly, petiole. It holds the blade to light. Flexible petiole allow leaf to flutter and cooling them. There are two types of leaf, such as simple leaf and compound leaf. Simple leaf is a single undivided blade, like maple leaf, and compound leaf is a blade divided into leaflets, such as rose leaf. There are also two patterns of leaf, such as partic- reticulate venation, like net-like veins, common in dicot. Parallel venation. Um, Second is parallel venation, or veins run parallel, common in monocots. They also have many modification of leaf, such as for support. Leaf converted into tendril for climbing is seen in peas. For defense, leaf modified into spin for protection as in cactus. For food storage, fleshy, fleshy leaves store food and water, as is as in onion and garlic. For photosynthesis, petioles expand and become green or violet in Australian Algacia. For insectivory, special to trap insect as in pitcher plant and Venus flytrap. That's all from me. Thank you.
So today I want to tell about flower morphology. Okay. First, flower. It was a plant reproductive structures. They produce male and female. So the structure of the flower is sepals and petals. Sepals, it help to protect developing flower bud. Second, it also help to support open flower. Uh, Petals, it will create landing platforms and guide pollinators to reward. So that's all from me.
Next, I will explain about fruit morphology. Fruits are mature ovaries that contain seeds, and they develop after flower fertilization. There are three types of fruits. First of all is simple fruits, which develop from a single ovary. Next is aggregate fruits, which develop from multiple ovaries of one flower. Last but not least is multiple fruits, which develop from multiple ovaries but from many flowers. Fruit anatomy includes the pericarp and the seeds. The pericarp, which are also known as fruit wall, has three layers. First is the exocarp as the outer skin. Next is the mesocarp as the fleshy middle layer. And last is the endocarp as the inner layer. Seeds also contain the embryo and stored nutrients. They are protected by seed coat, and inside the seed are endosperm for food storage and the embryo, which grow into a new plant. That's all from me. Thank you.